Welcome to the San Blas Islands. We're so sad to say goodbye to them though. We're actually taking off here in just a second. We're pulling up the anchor and lifting the sails and away we go. We have about 80 miles to go to get to Colón, to get through the canal on Monday. We have a few things that we need to take care of and then we're off, but we're excited to have you join us as we go through the canal. We're so excited. So scary around here. Alrighty, I don't know if you can see me, it's 12:30, so we have about an hour left before we pull into Shelter Bay area. So it's always wild with all the big container ships, but shouldn't be too bad, and get in there and get anchored.
The only way to fill up our tanks.
Look at that. Alrighty, we have had so much fun over the last couple of days just getting the boat ready, dealing with 2 clogged toilets. Boat life's so wonderful, beautiful, picturesque. Anyway, we just barely pulled out of Shelter Bay Marina and we're now in a holding area, Shelter Bay itself. Colón is right across there. The breakwater is right there. So we just came through and now we just sit here and wait, and they will have a pilot come on the boat and be with us as we travel through the whole thing. So these line handlers, Eric is our agent and he arranged the line handlers and they seem great so far. They will spend the night on the boat with us in the lake in the middle. The pilot actually leaves, I guess, but yeah, it should be awesome. We're supposed to start moving that way in 1 hour. This is Mario, the man. This is Daddy. Grandma's here. And Ruby's here. So they actually bring fenders that we'll use and lines as well. So the pilot is in sight. So we have, I believe, 2 other boats. We will be in the middle, and they will apparently raft up next to us, which is exciting.
Hello, good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nice to meet you. Guillermo, welcome to the Panama Canal. Thank you. Wow. Gina, nice to meet you.
Apparently we're going in with this guy.
Ah, there it is.
That is so
Nice.
He does that. So we just got the 1 mile tied on to us, and then the catamaran will come on the other side. You having fun? We're all ready. Skipper. Jefe.
Jefe, yes.
Yeah.
We got boats on both sides of us.
Bye-bye, Atlantic. This is so cool. Isn't that crazy? Say bye. Wow. So cool. It's just insane. What a marvel. And this is all raised and lowered just by gravity. So it doesn't, there's no pumps or anything. It just does it. So pretty cool feat. So cool how high we are. So we just crossed the 3rd one. Well, we're in the 3rd one. Now we'll go through and anchor. Sorry, not anchor. Tie up to a mooring ball for the night. Tomorrow at 8 a.m. I guess is when we take off. But this is such a cool experience. Gina and I were just talking. We hired 2 line handlers, which it's $120 a person, and you can hire 4. And it's so much better to just hire people so you don't have to think about worry, because it's enough like I'm the only one controlling the boats, so it'd be very annoying if I had to instruct our kids what to do with the line handling as well. Well, you're supposed to be 14 years old to deal with the lines anyway, but pretty awesome experience. The big ship is pulling forward in front of us, and then we'll be able to get out of here. We made it. How was it?
It's great.
Amazing?
Way cool.
Amazing?
It was awesome.
Thanks for Matthew.
To meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah, you too. Thank you very much. It's very nice to have you with us.
Thank you, Guillermo.
Have a nice time. Have a nice rest.
Absolutely.
So probably not you tomorrow.
They don't call me, so I don't know.
Okay,
See you later.
thank you. Bye-bye. Adios.
All right, it's 6:55, and our new man. Woo! What's his name? Say.
Hello, how are you?
What's your name?
I am Ivan.
Yvonne. So we are, I guess, getting ready to go. They said 8 o'clock, but here we are at 7. So the locks are just right behind us. It's like 2.5, 3 miles. Anyway, yesterday was so simple, easy, no big deal. It's pretty cool to be able to have that behind us. So we have a few miles to motor through the lake, and then we go down the next 3 locks. So pretty. I guess it's 28 miles from where we were to the locks, and it's a pretty windy pathway. So interesting. You can, everybody said, once you've been on the boat a while, you can feel it and know when different things are going on. Anyway, we're in fresh water, and I don't even know where or how or what the difference is, but you can tell the motors run differently. I don't know if it's elevation has anything to do with it, but very interesting. I can tell a huge difference running in fresh water than, I don't know if that's why, but pretty cool. No swimming. Look, there's one right in front of us.
Oh.
And then there's this one. Where is he? Right here. Okay, so we just hung out for 2 hours-ish. Got a little nap. Oh, feels so much better. Now we have 7 more miles to go, and the boat we are going behind in the canal, he just caught up to us, so now we're following him. We just got in tied up, this big boat. Wow, maybe it's not, I thought he was gonna pull all the way up to us, but maybe they're just putting us through. We'll see.
Captain Matt. They're on the other side of this. So there are 2 separate canals right here. There's one right there where the blue boat is and one where the yellow boat is. Give the people what they want.
We're in number 2 of 3. This ship behind us is struggling. The wind's blowing so hard, they've had to go super, super slow. And they've had a tugboat pushing to keep it. It's a car transport. The kids are communicating with everybody over here. Crazy kids. They got someone's number and they're FaceTiming with them.
What's that over there? What ocean is it? The Pacific Ocean!
And welcome to the Pacific. So crazy. Goodbye. Adios. Wow, it's crazy. I can't believe we've talked about this day forever and just how excited we are to see the Pacific, South Pacific specifically. Very crazy we've been able to get this far. It's just been so wonderful. We've met so many just incredible people along the path, and we're stoked to continue the journey. There's the temple! So cool to see the temple. See you later! Alright, it's been a crazy couple hours. We got into Marina last night. I had to bribe the guy a little bit, and then he thought we'd be good to go for a couple weeks, but we had to leave. If we showed up tomorrow, they could. But we're actually flying out tonight at 3:30 in the morning to go to the Galapagos. So we had to figure it out. So we're sailing south about 45 miles to a different marina. We're motoring of all things because there's like 2 knots of wind. It's hot. Miserable. It's so sad we said goodbye to Connor this morning. So fun to have him. He is such a blessing to our family. Anyway, I'm sure if you ever needed crew, needed help with something, he'd be delighted to help you. He's awesome. So we're gonna fly down to Galapagos. We decided it's too big of a hassle to get the boat down there. I got sick of dealing with the worry about dealing with everything, so we're just gonna fly. We are so pumped to go to Galapagos. It's gonna be amazing. That's what next week's video is gonna be. Anyway, we'll take you the rest of the way to the marina. Should be long, boring. Hopefully we put out the fishing rods. Hopefully we can catch a fish along the way. We got the spinnaker out. We finally got some wind. First time this year actually having the spinnaker out. It's awesome. How we doing, Imps? Alright, it's 2:30 in the morning. We're at the airport heading to Galapagos. So I decided we're gonna wrap this video up. Looking forward to seeing you guys next week in the Galapagos.